Welcome to your channel Myra Pro, hope you enjoyed with this video. So, truly wireless earbuds offer a bit more freedom than regular headphones. They have no cables to hinder your movements when working out, and they're typically compact enough to conveniently carry around in your pockets without much hassle. They offer a lot of options for all situations, whether you want to use them at the gym, at the office or during your commutes. Today I have here one of the best earbuds on the market, the X4T True Wireless Earbuds. This earbuds has many features than the other earbuds on the market. Firstly, when you open the box you'll find the X4T earbuds itself in a charging box. Under the earbuds and the charging case, the box contains a micro USB cable, and there are also 3 extra sets of ear tips to fit perfectly, and user manual. I like the design and feeling of the X4T earbuds. They feel solid and give a premium feeling. In the bottom of the X4T you'll find 2 golden points for charging them, and you'll see a built-in high-sensitivity microphone. On the top you'll see a small LED light and a multi-functions button. You can easily use the button without getting all the pressure on your ear canal, because it works by touch, which is a good thing in this case, and this is different than the other earbuds, which you have to press really hard. There is also many function on this button to start or shut off, switch between music, change the volume level, etc. Just read the user manual to learn how to use that. The charging box feels good and give me the feeling I'm holding a secret wallet, and I can easily store it in the back pocket of my jeans without any problems. The charging box has a staggering capacity of 5200 mAh battery, meaning you can recharge your earphones up to 20 times on a single charge. In the charging box you'll find a USB port. You can use that port to charge your smartphone, laptop or any device by using a micro USB cable. You'll find a micro USB charging port for charging the charging box. Next to them you'll see a small button for the power on and off. On the charging case there are 4 lights, each stand for 25% battery. This gives you an indication when you need to charge the battery case. While charging it will blink on the LED light and give you an idea on how many percent the battery level is at that time. The best and the newest feature of the X4T charging box is the wireless charging feature. That feature will fix a huge problem, that will fix the battery drain issue. Now you can charge your smartphone wirelessly anytime and anywhere. Just press the button on the charging case and the LED light would be on. Then put your smartphone on the circle area on the charging case and the phone will begin charging. With 5200 mAh battery in the charging box, you can charge your smartphone more than one time. So, how to pair and connect the X4T with your device? It's very simple. Just touch the cover of the left and right earbuds in the same time for 6 seconds until the blue light will flash. Then turn on your mobile phone's Bluetooth and search for the device named X4T, tap on it to connect and enjoy. That's all. You can use one earbud only. To connect one earbud, choose the left or the right one or any one you want, and do the same steps as you do with the 2 earbuds. You can also connect 2 devices at the same time, but you can do that with a single earbud for every device. The battery life of the X4T is good, with 85 mAh on each earbud. The X4T will give you up to 6 to 7 hours of working time, that for one earbud use. For a set the X4T will works with you up to 4 to 5 hours, but don't forget that you have the 5200 mAh charging box that will allows you to charge the earbuds many times in a single charge only. About the sound quality of the X4T, all I can say is, I'm really surprised by this. It sounds really good and bass is really good. I tested them with several different genres and all of them sounded good. Especially hip hop is good with the X4T since the bass is really good. Honestly I am impressed by the sound quality from these earbuds. Here is a sample of the sound quality of the X4T earbuds. Finally, the X4Ts are comfortable enough to use every day. Their ear tips have soft silicone fins for a loose yet secure fit and to keep ambient sounds out. They have a hydrophobic nano coating that wicks away moisture. With a remote sound scope of 15 meters, the earphone's flexibility allows you to move around yet still receive uncompromising sound quality. You'll get a solid 6 hours of battery life to last you a full day of listening, whether you are commuting, exercising or rocking out. All this features and more, for just $45, you can buy it from the link below in the description box to get the 25% discount. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel and to click on the bell, to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.